Hey guys, how's it going? So in this video we're going to be talking about Prim's algorithm. So this is to find the shortest path on a graph. So for this basic lecture, what we're going to be doing is really simple. All we have to do is pick any random starting point. So we have 5 nodes, so we just pick one at random. So let's say A will be our first node. So now that we're in A, we have to look at the edges, which would be these distances that you can see from one node to the other. Now we're starting at A, so we have 2 options because A can either go to B or it can go to D. So these are 2 possible nodes. Now we have to look at the edges. Which one has the lowest weight? There's 1 and then there's 4. So we're gonna go with 1. So let's pick that one and we'll make a path from A to B. Okay, now that we have this path, now we are currently at B, but with Prim's algorithm it doesn't really matter where you're at. All that matters is that you have to look at each vertices that you visited and the next possible vertices that you can go to, and you have to pick the path that has the shortest distance. So we can technically say that we're at B, but we have to look at A and B. So from A to D the distance is 4, from B to D the distance is 3, and from B to C the distance is 5. So we can't obviously go from B to E. We can only take one step at a time, one node at a time. So the shortest distance would be here from B to D. So this would be our next path. Now with Prim's algorithm, we can't go from D to A because we've already visited this node. So there's no need to go back. So now we have 3 vertices that we visited, 3 nodes that we visited, and we can't do anything else with A because there's no point for A to go to D because we've already visited that node. We technically are currently at that node. So there's no point from going to A to D. So the only possible options is from B to C, or from D to C, or from D to E. So we have these possibilities to take into account. We have 5, we have 2, and we have 7. Now which one is the shortest distance? Well, that's our 2. So we're going to create a path from D to C, and that is our next step. Now we're currently, you could say, at C, and the only other node that we haven't visited would be E. So now there's 2 ways to get to E from where we're at right now. We could go from D to E, so we could go from D to E, or we could go from C to E, but we have to pick the shortest path, so that would be from C to E. And that's it for Prim's algorithm. We basically just found the shortest path from A to B, B to D, B to D, let me put that right there, and then from D to C, and then from C to E. And that's it for Prim's algorithm. I hope you guys learned something in this video, and if you guys do have any more in-depth questions with this, please feel free to message me or comment down below. So don't forget to like and subscribe to this to my channel. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Peace out.